Here I have EssentielB HeYou 60, and today I'm going to show you how to change system language on this device. So firstly, you have to open settings, then you have to go to the system section, then to the languages and input, languages, other language. Here you can see the whole list of languages in which you can set up your device. Let's pick, for example, maybe Ukrainian, and then to change your system language to Ukrainian, what you have to do is to just drag it on the first place here, and after that your language will be changed to the Ukrainian. If you want to change it back to English, just go to the налаштування, then to the система, системні, мови та ведення, мови, and drag English back on top. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.